Day 18. 240, coming on good. What did we do yesterday? Sanded all day. It was really good. Got the swage line sorted out. So today I'm going to finish the ducktail, get it screwed, well not screwed on, get all the holes drilled so it won't, when it's all painted, it's just going to fit on. Also decided that I might make some sill extensions. Sill cover sills?
Sill, yeah, cover sills. We need some cover sills. Something
to make it look a bit more something. Wow, was that your stomach?
It was.
I thought it was thunder.
That was my tummy.
So I've mocked up a... Do you want to stop and get the laughies out? Sill covers, or whatever you want to call them. So this is a mock-up of what the angles are going to look like. Leon's going to get some steel today. We're going to make them out of steel because I like steel. It's easy to make stuff out of steel, and it's kind of permanent.
It is permanent and sturdy.
And sturdy. So this is the shape. I'm going to put that onto there. Well, it'll be that shape. It kind of follows the door line down and just goes straight across to the bottom, and we can screw it through the sill into the back of there.
Make it look a bit meaner.
Make it look a bit meaner, make it look a bit lower to the ground.
Yeah.
A bit cooler, a bit more modern. Not that we're trying to modernise an old car, but...
Bring it up to date.
Mod.
Yeah.
We're just going to finish off the back of the ducktail. I didn't want, when you open it, I didn't want to see this big old gap, so we're going to fill. We're going to plate it over, well, we're going to finish it off basically. I managed to find some offcuts from somewhere that just happened to fit. So we're going to clean these up and get them welded on. Let's go.
Let's go. Would you like me to run those pieces through the sandblaster for you?
Oh, that would be amazing.
I shall do that. Here you go.
Awesome. Right. Like I said earlier, we're going to make some sills for the car.
I've been shopping.
Leanna's been shopping. She brought us back some bent metal, which is great.
You're going to bend it?
But it's the wrong kind of bend. So let's take it to the folder and make it that shape, preferably. That is 5mm. There. That is 105. This is 50. And this is 20. And they're all internal folds, which makes it easier, and our folder hopefully will go just fine.
It's fine to fold some sills.
It's undersized. It's a good start.
That's from the metal shop.
180 I so that's 2mm under. That tolerances are shit, isn't they? Unless it's this dodgy tape measure. I can get a ruler.
Yeah, I was going to say use a solid ruler, but I didn't want to, you know,
You know.
You know.
You know.
You know.
You know.
You know.
No.
It's a nice ruler you've got.
This is my Smith & Arrow ruler. This is an awesome ruler. Right,
is it 180 mil?
No, it's 2 mil under. So 5 mil. Mark the ruler too. And then 105 mil. So how does that be? Make that 110.
This is where the elbow's weird now, and you've got to do
Plus
big
50.
numbers.
And then that should be just under 20. Thanks.
What,
So,
18? Right, hold on. Let me just focus this camera. Okay, I have it lined up.
have a look. What would be nice if we could just push it by hand a bit, so it's got a bit of shape in it. A bit of a push by hand. Right then. It's a good test fit, so let's see how we go. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, that's good.
Finish fettling, we're going to cut the ends, weld some ends on,
Epoxy
make
them.
the other side, shove some epoxy on them, epoxy the spoil at the same time, and then we are going to be running some glue down this edge, a nice big peak of glue, and some glue down this edge with a couple of screws in it, and that is it.
Sills on.
Sills are on.
They look amazing.
We could just put some self-tappers through them, like Frankenstein style.
No.
Frankenstein.
No, I don't want Frankenstein sills.
Frankenstein. Alright.
Looking good though. Looking real good.
Didn't cook.
Right in the middle of that.
Go. Finish with this now, can we put it off? There we go.
this sill is completed. It's a treat, a little more fettling to go to make it really fit, but it's showing really good promise. So, what we need to do now is to get it off, transfer the shapes to this one, cut, weld, then we have finished both the sills. I would also like to offer the other side up to make sure that the other side isn't like longer or something random because of shit. Poop. Poop. I'm just copying the exact shapes. This is done. Epoxy time.
Go. It's day 19. It's still pouring. There's no sign of it clearing. And we are still working on the Volvo.
Did you say it was day 19?
Day 19.
We're supposed to be done on day 14, aren't we? Put it back together?
Yes, day 14. We're a bit over, but that's not our fault.
It was rusty.
Yeah.
Anyway, yesterday we made these lovely sill covers. Epoxied them last night so they look nice. So this morning we're going to drill a couple of holes.
Can I just interrupt you?
Yeah.
Apologies for the noise. That is the rain pouring down on the tin roof shed.
Yummy.
Yes. So you'll have to speak up a bit.
I am.
Good.
Anyway, the sills look good. They fit really nice. So this morning we're going to drill some holes. We're going to get some screws through from the back of there into there. We're going to screw into the sides, maybe rivet into the sides. We're going to run some sealer down this edge, some glue and bond them on, and we're going to run a couple of tacks on it so we can just get on with what we've got to get on to today. Just the glue setting and hold these sills on permanently, which is great.
Yeah, we're not going to do much talking today. We're just going to crack on with what we've got to get through this list.
We've got to get a shifty on.
We have. Basically today it's going to be bonnet off. Lou's going to put the sills on.
We're going to finish the spoiler once and for all.
Finish the spoiler once and for all, and we're going to try and get these doors off.
And then panels off. Once the spoiler's finished and sills are on, we can pull all the panels off. Front wings are going to stay on, all the bolts back in there. All the panels can come off, and we can properly start prepping for primer. But first, how about we have a really good tidy up?
We need to tidy.
A proper mess.
Yes. Right, Operation Tidy, followed by Get a Move On.